All right, Dax has got one. Okay, bring it up real slow.
I can see a fish by this one too.
Okay, what is it? Oh, it's a whitey. Okay, reel it in a little.
Crap, we need to hurry.
Okay. Come here. Bring him right to me.
Just make sure his doesn't.
Oh, that's a beautiful little guy.
That's a big girl.
All right, just lift the end of it up, just slow. All right. This is what happens when you forget your net. Nice. Oh, that's a gorgeous fish. That's gonna be my ceviche fish right there. Heck yes. And he is fertilizing in the boat. All right. All right, Dax just hooked up on his first fish. Dax, how old are you?
7.
7? How big a fish is this?
A big one.
A big one, he says. It is actually pretty big. I've seen it come up. Okay, pull it up just a little bit. Slow. Reel if he comes up. Okay, reel down. Reel it. Reel it a little.
He's coming up.
Yeah?
He's a big fish.
Okay, reel a little. Reel, 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 reel. Reel it in, hurry. Before... No, he's not off. You gotta reel it in or he'll get off though. If you want to keep him. That's what you do helping. Okay, just reel real slow, real slow. And then if it gets loose, then you're real fast.
Dad,
it's okay, just hang on to it.
it's getting close.
Okay, reel. You can see it starting to flash there.
Ow, my hands.
Yeah, you're gonna get tired. Keep it, pull it up a little. Pull it up. There you go. Keep pulling on it. Whoa. Okay, reel, 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 reel. Up. Okay, no, stop now. Pull him up. Okay, slow, slow, slow. He's gonna get mad when he gets up here. It's a nice laker. Okay, reel a little. Reel, reel.
Dad, can you help me? I'm done.
Okay, you're done? Okay.
My hands are too tight.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna get this landed and then I'll be back. Look at that guy.
He's still. But he doesn't want to be in the boat.
Yeah.
Forgot that I had a fish.
Here, Dax, reel it in. Here, here. Reel it in.
This guy.
Reel it in for me. Go ahead. Nice and easy, just slow. Bring it up. Okay, bring it up. Out here, out here, out here. There you go. Okay, bring it to me. Bring it to me. This is what happens when you don't have a net. You gotta use your hand to bring in fish to the boat. Hopefully we don't lose it. Yes! Nice! Got a whitey. All right, Dax has another one on. Another whitey. I don't know if you can see that because of the glare. Okay, slowly reel it up. Nice. Nice, bud. Okay, wait, wait. Let him fight a little bit. Pull him out this way, just a hair. There you go. Slow. Okay, reel it in just a little. Reel it in just a little. Okay, reel. All right. Okay, bring him over here to us. Oh, okay, he's running still. Let him be. Okay. Okay, yep, reel it in and bring him up. Right over here to me. Oh, okay, wait.
Oh, come on. Oh, he's right by me.
Yeah, okay, slow. All right, another nice white. All right, we just got the boat loaded back in the truck, getting ready to head home. A few other guys out there fishing today. These guys here, where they're there, they said they've caught a few trout, a couple whitefish, but not too many more trout. Anyways, Dax, you want to tell us what we got? show it to us?
This big fish first.
Kneel down so I can see you better, okay? Wow. Okay, show us.
This fish first.
What kind is that one?
The big trout.
The big trout, okay. So we got the trout. That is probably about 28 inches. Good 8 pounds. Maybe even closer to 10. But okay, what else?
And the next one is a trout.
Whitefish?
A whitefish.
4 whitefish. So we're gonna try to make ceviche out of this little guy. Anyways, so watch for other videos on whitefish ceviche. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna probably throw him on the smoker for the family and do whitefish for dinner tonight for the kids and wife. So other than that, thanks for watching. As always, please subscribe, and like this video. Hey, let me know also if you guys have ever been whitefishing or what you guys think of it. These aren't your typical whitefish, by the way. These are the Bonneville whitefish. So, thanks again.